bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see from up here. The world seems small. We
Okay, I'm done. Actually, when you want to see the difference between before and after cleaning, you can see it where the gate is, because I stopped at the gate. So after the gate, you can see the brownish greenish dirt on the stones, and what I could remove from it.
A good Saturday morning to everyone. I think today we are ordering from Mang Inasal. Oh my, it's already 11. We should be ordering now. I'm gonna have to tell him. Table is all set. We're just waiting for the delivery. That was a good lunch and a good TV show.
Yep, good lunch and good TV show.
We watched Lucifer.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm making myself a coffee, my coffee break. And for today, I'm gonna take Grande. I know it's so noisy. Wait lang ah. I'm gonna take Grande Intenso. Oh, suddenly it sounds like I'm shouting. Hey,
Okay.
okay na. Kape, okay na. Since today is just a plain ordinary day,
Yep, it's a quiet Saturday. Not much happens.
we're gonna have to end the vlog
Yep.
for today. We'll see you again tomorrow.
Opo.
Same time, same place.
Siguro.
Oh, by the way, are we going out tomorrow?
What did we talk last week? No, we're not going out. We will have a safe weekend at home and don't spend too much money. Beside of the pizza that I will order tomorrow.
The next day.
can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Good morning. I don't have kilay. We're so
let's see.
busy in cleaning up today. Today is Sunday. It's a cleaning day. Oh.
And here's the chicken and mochos.
Ah, yeah, I like that. And this time we're going to try Shakey's. First time to try Shakey's cheese sticks.
Pizza!
Yun.
Salami!
Ang laki ng pizza mo, honey, ha? This is my chicken with the mojos. And the cheesy sticks. And all of this is a bundle that costs
899.
899.
Yep.
Okay.
Mango.
Oh, mango juice. And it also comes with iced tea. I don't know how I look now.
And inside the iced tea is a lemon swimming.
Uh-oh. Well, to show the customers, oh, we put lemon. Anyway, we will eat now and talk later. Bye-bye.
If I can send those 3 words to you.
We're watching Lucifer.
Yeah, the drama part.
And my honey's getting sleepy with the boring part.
And Lucifer said he cannot love.
But for me, it's not boring. I think I cried kanina.
You're crying all the time.
Ayan.
Lovely
Ay,
memory.
crazy. Who died?
I have no idea.
Holy cow, somebody died! Ayan, nag-finish na yung show. I still don't have my kilay. Don't have my kilay.
Do you need?
I don't think I will put on kilay. Later, I'm gonna take a shower first before I put on a little kilay. Kilay is eyebrow. Eyebrow is life. Kilay is life.
I'm tired. I did a lot of stuff this morning.
I know. And I wanna thank you for your big effort. If it's not you, I wouldn't know how to use the compressor.
You still don't know.
I still don't know pala. Oh, wrong English again. Good morning, honey.
Good morning. I'm going. I'm going veggie today. Green peas with quail eggs.
Okay.
And let me guess. My honey will take something that she rarely orders. Hototai soup.
Ayoko yan.
What? It's only a week since you ordered it, and the week before, and the week before that, and the week before that.
Eh kasi naman yung bola-bola niya tastes like it has alcohol inside eh.
But you're always ordering it.
No, I always order the beef soup, the nilagang baka.
Okay. Whatever you like. I choose my veggies. Green peas with quail eggs. Anyway, as far as I remember, even they call it vegetables, there is some pork or something inside.
Yeah. And
Okay.
shrimp. Okay. Now
to you.
it's my turn to choose. Hello guys, good morning. So,
Sorry, I'm out here. I have a lot of emails.
okay. So earlier we went out and we got this nice smelling flower that we placed here. You see? Yan. That is called Sampaguita, which is the national flower of the Philippines, and smells so nice. It's like having an air freshener inside the office now. So, okay, I have to concentrate on what I want to order. Mine will be sinigang na bagnet. It's masarap. And now I have to go and cook the rice.
A few moments later.
Oh yeah. This is the sinigang bagnet. They fried the liempo first and then put it in a sinigang. And this is your quail eggs, green with green
Green
peas.
peas with quail eggs.
And this is my most awaited dessert.
Quite straightforward. But it's Philippine packaging, so of course it's not straightforward.
She said it's with mint daw. I think that's quite cheap for 375.
Okay.
Oh, looks like champorado to me.
I guess these are the mint sticks here are the chocolate.
Oo nga. Okay. We're gonna have to start now because my stomach is so hungry. As usual, the old lady is hungry, always hungry. Okay, sige. Talk later na. We're busy. So I'm going to try the chocolate cake first. This is supposed to be minty.
Walang mint.
Meron.
Mm-hmm.
Meron nga mint. Sige. Lunch na kami. It's raining quite heavily. And if you can see here, wala nang solar power.
Oops. You can kind of zoom in, but
But it affects all the it's blurred.
it's very difficult actually to zoom. And it's not good in the quality.
Ayan na, rainy season na, honey. The rain is quite loud. I don't know if I should be happy or what, but
Okay. CCTV camera gets confused by the rain. I don't know what this sound is. Maybe aliens hacked in.
because our CCTV also has audio and a microphone, so if somebody rings the doorbell, we can actually ask who is it, you know. Yun lang. Just glad that it rained. Hopefully it will not rain for hours because it can cause flooding in many areas. Hopefully it will just be for an hour or two. That would really bring the temperature down to a more comfortable level. Talk later, going back to work.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see.
At dito na naman nagtatapos ang ating isang araw.
What's going on here? Suddenly noisy.
The rain has finally stopped. And we're also stopping the vlog here. Ay nako, my hair got all fly away. Whatever. So my honey's still busy. I am still busy. I have a lot of my activities to catch up. I am not at liberty to say what it is, but just trust me. It's for our entertainment. So with this, I shall say sayonara. Goodbye, future selves.
Goodbye.